Hello, Mr. Cat. My responsibility. Are you hungry? Let me see if he's hungry. Oh, that doesn't say he's being starved. Water bottle there. Food all around in case I fall asleep for a month. Come over to the kitchen. Oh, don't leave that long. Getting some coffee ready. Making some mincemeat. Hello, Mr. Mincemeat. How are you? I got you nice and lean the way I like you. I should have taken out what was already cooked and put in a little bit of new to cook it. I don't know if that's the way. Okay, never read up on it. And you just got to keep moving it. And I was told that let it go to the bottom, let it get hot, let the oils come out, let it cook. If you keep turning it around all the time, something other. It's a science. It's all a science. Everything's a science. So what I was doing right now is I was reading a little bit about there's new laws coming out. There's marijuana laws and stuff, and they were talking there's more people showing up at hospitals, more people with anxiety. So I'm reading and I'm reading and I'm reading, and there's a lot of science out there, and everybody's giving their own reason why people get anxiety, and a lot of it is what your mindset is, what you're ready to face, and you create these imaginary boundaries and roadways and think something is going on when nothing is going on. You prepare your heart, you prepare your mind, what is good, what is no good. If I ate all that and drank all that within the next 20 minutes, I would probably be in the hospital, right? How many people are in the hospital? How many people are, there's things I don't like. There's things I don't like in the world, right? I just let them be. It's not in my house. Whatever's in my house that I don't like, right? When you come in here, you won't find cases of beer all the time. It just doesn't happen. My own house rules, my own house laws. We all have to have our own individual rules and laws and regulations in our house, right? We can't just police the world. You know what I'm saying? We're not made to police the world. We can suggest, we can teach, but we just can't police. I gave you a car, the car can do 100 miles an hour. But there's reasons and there's laws out there not to do it, so don't do it. And because people don't respect, now we have to police the streets. You know, if everybody stopped at their stop sign and we didn't need the police out there, you know, they wouldn't be out there. But they are, because we don't respect. So the thing is, same thing with the laws with marijuana laws. You can't do this. I was reading that some places you can't smoke in their building or on their property, and I'm like going, you can't smoke on their property, you can't smoke in front of a school zone, you can't smoke in the public. It's like, why make it legal? Why put so much control into people's hands of what you can't do and cannot do? There should be an understanding of why and why not. What can happen, what will happen, what could happen, what might happen, and what your thinking will bring to what might happen. If you drink, I got a beer here. This is how much is left in the bottle. You can see how much is left. It's all the way down here. That's my third day. This is day 3 drinking it. I got one rule: never have a sip until it's after lunch. You know what I'm saying? It's my third day on it. I really enjoy it. I couldn't put it all down. It was a little expensive. Cost $2.90 or something. And anyways, that's my joy. And would I drink it if it cost me $6, or if it cost me 50 cents, or if it was free? You know, that's the thing about free. A lot of times we say, oh, it's free, let's eat, right? But an all-you-can-eat buffet, people get sick. So see how it's going. Anyways, that's done. I'm going to put in some sauce. I'm going to try and get the spaghetti sauce done here. This is done. I'm going to make my coffee. Tea has already been done for later in the afternoon. It's already cooled. Sometimes I'll drink hot, sometimes I'll drink cold. Whoop. Here is pearl. They call this pearl something from Chinese City. They call this, yes, it's called white dragon pearl. And then in this one, look at that, lavender. $3.97 compared to the other one, 100 grams. And this one is 0.0 0.06 grams or something. I don't know. Anyways, what's the difference? It's good for you. It's healthy. It's sometimes when you think inside the mind, when you think your mind is good, when you think your food is good, when you think your health is good, things start to feel good. If they take care of the animal before it goes in here, there's going to be less stress inside what tastes the best, and that's the fat. The memory of the animal inside your meat, inside your fat. Why is your fat so bad for you? Could be the cholesterol, could be because of all the memory, the juices in there from the cow's life, how it was stressed. And when you eat and you walk around and you breathe in the ether, you're transferring information from that cow into you. So before you eat meat, just hope that farmer was nice to the cow, but you see what's going on in the world right now. Things are already mixed up. A lot of medication to the people, a lot of vaccines to the people, a lot of vaccines to the cattle, a lot of vaccines are something put into their food for the cattle and for the humans. So nothing is the way it is. And remember, it took a science to build this hand. We're still continuing on changing the human life, right? We're in one form or another, and if there's multiverses, we're always going to be this human. Raphael, 7286, in the constellation of Pegasus. Thank you for watching from under the dome. Math. All math designs.